Candlestick Mastery, Beginner to Pro in 66 Patterns, is the first book designed to improve your pattern recognition through challenges and quizzes that can increase your identification of each pattern so you can react quickly when trading live. This book makes a fantastic gift for any aspiring trader, designed to give the skills for any trader to feel confident identifying candlestick patterns and commit them to memory in an enjoyable way. You'll see how patterns are used differently for long-term swing, day trading, and scalping. You can explore over 60 patterns, learning the signals they show on charts. Learn the basic anatomy of a candle, an essential step in reading any candlestick chart. As the challenges become more difficult, you will enjoy learning without realizing as hundreds of patterns test your memory. The directional signal that each pattern gives will become second nature when trading. You will progress as the exercises get more complex from beginner to professional. Included are 66 common patterns, each pictured, named, and showing the direction of its signal. In the first challenge, you'll see how patterns appear on real charts. Candlestick patterns can be found on any time frame. There are hundreds of patterns to find on the charts in this challenge. Your task is to find the candlestick patterns shown on the chart. As you progress, the second challenge asks you to find the patterns and name them. This tests your memory of common patterns like a bull flag or a bear flag. There are hundreds of patterns to spot in this challenge. The test is to see how many patterns you can find. The next challenge shows patterns in context. You must determine the pattern, its name, and whether it signals a continuation or reversal. This challenge focuses on the candles leading up to the pattern and will sharpen your recognition skills. You can test your memory with over 40 quizzes in this challenge alone. Each page here has 6 challenges, showing candlesticks in a trend or consolidation. The final challenge tests your memory the most. You'll be asked to name all the most common candlestick patterns. Over 60 patterns in total can be found here. These are the patterns you saw at the start of the book, now in random order. You have a chance to become a pro if you can name them all. Candlestick Mastery is the first book of its kind, a hands-on learning tool for candlestick patterns and a valued part of the day trading series, which includes Volume 1, the book that covers details about day trading from opening your first account to trading with the popular RV range-bound strategy used by many pros. Now in color Volume 2, the Candlestick Pattern Playbook, with over 60 candlestick patterns inside, the only book with approved accuracy ratings for each pattern. A popular feature in this book is its very useful removable flashcards that can help you memorize every pattern wherever you study. Our featured book, now in color, Volume 3, Candlestick Mastery, Beginner to Pro in 66 Patterns, filled with challenges and games to improve pattern recognition. And Volume 4, Day Trading the Open, which identifies 4 of the most popular breakout levels used by professionals. Along with the companion books for day trading Volumes 1 and 4, these 6 books make up the day trading series. This detailed book also introduces indicator ideas intended for short-term analysis and tools created to help. Remember, be careful. Trading involves risk. The writers are not licensed financial advisors. You should speak to someone licensed before trading with real money. No strategy can guarantee profit. Visit the $1 Million Margin Club to explore other trading education resources and tools.